your reaction to what you heard in there this morning?
Well, of course, this is an emotional, heart-wrenching journey that we're on. A lot of information we heard today was new information, and it was kind of hard to contain your emotions, to be so close to the defendants and hear all the gruesome details that happened to Tim, and just looking at them with no reaction.
How difficult was it?
Extremely difficult. Extremely difficult. Extremely difficult to hold your tears, to hold your emotions, to contain your emotions, listening to gruesome details of a loved one that was by himself, and all these horrible things happen, and you oftentimes wonder, what was he thinking? Who did he cry for? Who did he mourn for? No one was there to help him. So that's very difficult to hear details as to what happened to him on that night.
In your reaction, we heard some of the motivations, the racial motivations behind why this happened. What did you think about that when you heard it?
Unfortunately, we live in a time where racism still exists in 2017. It's not a shock that racism existed in 1983 because we still see it today in 2017. So it's extremely unfortunate that that's one of the motives mentioned, but that's the world that we lived in, especially in 1983.
What do you think about the fact that, do you think that this should have been resolved earlier? It seems like there was information out there as far back as 83 and 97. I mean, what do you think about the fact that it's taken 34 years?
Well, that is definitely a question that we would like to know the answer to. That is a question that our family has asked for years as to why this case has taken so long, and that is definitely a viable question that we would like to know the answer to as well. Well, it's always difficult when someone is not sorry for what they have done. It's always difficult to hear that. And when you understand that they're not sorry for what they've done, it makes it easier for you not to be sorry for what's going to happen to them.
Would you, I don't know if the DA's office has spoken with you about it, would you approve of a death penalty? I don't know that this is a capital case right now. Have you talked about it amongst the family?
We definitely have not talked about that amongst our family regarding a death penalty, but I don't know if death would be too easy. We loved him 34 years ago, and we love him today. And we're all going to stand in solidarity to make sure that his accusers are brought to justice.